This is one of the elective, that is data warehousing and business intelligence. This is one of the elective in the second semester. First elective, there are two electives. Okay, second elective will be taken by Aarti Patil madam, and this data warehousing and business intelligence I am going to take the classes. Alright. So here today what we will going to do, just we will have a brief idea regarding data warehousing, data mining. Already we have studied the subject called, what is that, data structure, and we have that database management system also we are studying now in the same semester. Got it? And now we are having one more subject called data mining. We are having a subject called as data mining. Okay, means data structure, database management system, data mining, data warehousing, data science. See, there is much huge importance is given for the data. Okay, huge information importance is given for data. Then what is data? So there, data structure, data science, data, what is that, data mining, data warehouse. Okay, there are so many subjects related to data. Then what exactly the meaning of data? The meaning of data is a set of facts. It is a set of facts or observations or measurements about objects. See now, whenever you go for the grocery shops or Big Bazaar, D-Mart, okay, when they are making the bill, okay, they are collecting all the data. Means which item or which object, which what do you call it as item is selling more. Okay, they are collecting the information, and the particular item, see, I'll tell you one combination why they are taking the information and collecting the things. In future there might be an example related to this. They will make a conclusion in such a way that the one who is going to purchase a milk, he is also going to purchase a bread. Got it? The one who is purchasing or taking eggs, he is also taking a bread. So where there is more selling of milk, there is a chance of selling of bread also. Got it? So data is a set of facts. They are collecting the facts now. In the image, are you able to see it? Okay, so one who is making the bill, okay, she is collecting all the facts. That particular person is purchasing this much of quantity. Okay, this is the item. Okay, this is the manufacturer, whatever, etc. Okay, or observations or measurements or often objects and events, process of interest. See here now, that person is purchased in which object he is interested. In which object you are interested. Okay, that, see, the people who are behind the things, means in social media and all those things, they studied well about us. Why? Because they know what I like, what I don't like. Whenever you log in for a Ghana app, okay, it will ask you, okay, which kind of music you like, who is your favorite singer, who is your actor, etc. They will going to collect us. Means they are collecting data from us. Okay, what I am interested. Based on that, they will push the data. Okay, if I told that Sonu Nigam is my favorite singer, then whenever you open particular app, Savan or whatever, there is Ghana, whatever, Okay, so those songs or those artist list comes first, because as per our interest they are giving the data, they are giving the information. Got it? So data is a set of facts, observations, measurements, or about the objects, events, or process of interest. Okay, so this is nothing but a facts. Data is nothing but a facts. One in single word, what is data? Data is nothing but a facts. Okay, what is fact? Okay, information about me. What is my name? It is a fact. Vishweshwara is my name. It is a fact. What is my salary? Where I am working? Working as a what? Okay, number of years of experience. If I am a student, what is my name? Where I am studying? In which course I am doing? Okay, so what is my percentage? They are collecting all these data. These data are nothing but a facts. These data are nothing but a facts. Example, see, this person, one who has purchased something, he is making a bill here. Okay, once he purchased all the things, bill is produced, grocery bill is produced. Okay, this is nothing but a data. These are nothing but a data. The item, quantity, and rate. Item, quantity, rate, all these things, whatever he purchased, this is nothing but a data. Okay, and they are also collecting our information. Whenever you whenever you go for billing and all, they will ask you, tell me your mobile number, tell me your name. Okay, they are collecting our information. Some people, they collect our date of birth also. Okay, and whenever we will be having a birthday, and well before that they will tell the things. Okay, you will be having 20% of offer on your birthday. Okay, on or before so and so date you come and purchase, so we will give you 20% because of your birthday. Got it? So they are collecting our information, our data, and they are doing their business. They are using it there for business purpose. Okay, that is what about data is. Then what is information? What is information? The information is processed data that is useful in one way, that is useful in one way or the other. For example, for decision making, communication, etc. Means, what is this? Information is a processed data. See here now, think 100 people have visited Big Bazaar on particular day. Okay, and they have all made the bills. Okay, they have purchased something and they went for billing, and their data, what they have purchased and all those things, these people have collected the data. Once they have collected the data of 100 people, what they have purchased and all those things, after that, at the end of the day, they'll come to the conclusion, they'll process those data. Yes, in this date, okay, on garments, this much of revenue has generated. On this, what is that? The garments, this much of the revenue has generated. Total of this, 20% revenue is generated by clothes, 20% revenue is generated by grocery, remaining 30% is generated by vegetable, other remaining percentage like 40 plus 30, remaining 30% is generated by other items. See here now, this is information. How did they get the information? Whole day's data, they have processed it. Once they processed the data, they got idea, they got the information. They got the information. Okay, what is that information? Information is nothing but processed data which is useful in one or the other way. How they use it, how it will be useful, how that information is useful. Okay, because 20% revenue is generated by clothing means in a single day, so they will come to know whether we will going to invest more on clothing or garments or will go for grocery. They'll take a decision based on the revenue generated, based on the information which they process data. Got it? So this is what the information is. Information is a processed data that is useful in one way or the other. For example, for decision making, communication, etc. Communication, etc. As I told in the previous communication means in the previous example I had told they're going to collect all the 100 people's birth of date of birth. Once they collect 100 date of births, okay, and they'll process it immediately. Who are having the birthday in the next week, they will go to send the information. They will go to communicate. Yes, we are calling from Big Bazaar. Okay, your next we are so and so date you will be having the birthday. So we are giving you offer of this much. For communication purpose also they are using this information. While the data is fixed, information from it can be differ based on the needs. See here now, datas are fixed, information will going to change. Why it will going to change? See, 100 people have purchased something from your store. It is not fixed that they have purchased, all of them have purchased the same item. No. First person have purchased something, second person have purchased something, third person, so on up to 100 persons. This is fixed even after few years. If you open a particular date, what is the sales? Okay, that data is fixed. But information is, as I told, grocery, how much information is revenue is generated? 20%. Clothing 20%. So here I'll going to take as a management, as a business person, I'll going to take it as, okay, how should I go for it? Okay, whether I should go for which information shall I take on garments or clothing, on vegetables or etc. etc. Got it? So information changes, but data will be remain same. Information depends on the differ based on the needs. It based on the needs. Got it? So this is what the information is. Then what is knowledge? What is knowledge? The knowledge is patterns or a relationship in data and information that exhibit a high degree of certainty. See here now. Patterns of a relationship. As I told in the previous example, the one who is purchasing this, he will going to purchase this also. One who is purchasing a milk, he will going to purchase bread. This is what they got. This is what the knowledge is. Based on the information, based on that information, they are going to gain the knowledge. Yes, this is the knowledge. What the knowledge? Yes, we are selling this milk, so we need to invest something on bread also, so that can also be sold out, that can also be sent. Got it? So this is what the knowledge is. Example below, there is an example here. See here now, frequently brought together. Whenever you open Flipkart or Amazon, whatever, got it? Whenever you order for something, exactly below to that you will get frequently bought together. Got it? So this plus this, you will be having this much, so that you can save this much of amount. Got it? This is what the knowledge is. The people, other people are one who has purchased this thing, okay, one who has purchased TV, okay. Others, the previous history says that, okay, they have also purchased set-up box. They have also purchased what is that booster, or what do you call it as, that thing. Got it? So this is what the knowledge is. This is what the knowledge. So we understood what is data, what is information, and what is knowledge. Got it? Now, what is data mining? Okay. Before we go for this, we'll have discussion on this. Okay. Any doubts over here? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt. Kiran? Sorry, Sujit?
Sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. What about girl side? Riya, Sumaya, Soumya, Leena, and Snehal?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. So now what is data mining?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Data mining is essentially a process of data just a minute. Okay. What is data mining then? Data mining is essentially a process of data driven extraction of data, not so obvious but useful information from large databases. What is the meaning of this? Data mining is essentially a process of data driven extraction. See here now, data mining in general, I will going to tell you something about that. You might be knowing mining. Okay, Ballari is well known for mining. Okay, what they want to mine? There are big hills and all those things are there. Okay, the people are mined it, they dig it, and they'll collect the iron ore, okay, and they'll send it for purpose, for their business purpose, for processing purpose. What is data mining? So mining is nothing but a digging for some useful information. Here data mining is one which is digged, okay, which is dig for the sake of useful information. Data mining is essentially process of data driven. Driven means we need to extract the data. We need to extract the data from the huge amount of information. From the huge amount of information, data. Okay, data is collected somewhere in the database. We need to dig all the data. See here now, if you take any big bazaar or whatever they are collecting, whatever they are doing the business, even if I purchase a small pin also, my information will be there on that their database. How frequently I am going to visit big bazaar, okay, what I am going to purchase, okay, so all the things will be there, and which item is selling more, in which big bazaar it is, in which branch it is selling more, because and all the big bazaars are having the same database. If I purchase something from this place, okay, my information will be there dumped in the, my data will be dumped in the particular database. If you purchase from another branch also, that database, that is also dumped in the particular database. Got it? So huge information, huge amount of data is there in the database. Huge amount. Okay, you cannot imagine that much of the data is stored in the database. They need to dig it. They need to dig it. Dig it means they need to process that data, and they come to the conclusion, they come to the knowledge, okay, so which type of data they are going to dig it, which is useful information, they need it. What is useful information? Which helps their business, the information which helps their business, that data, that kind of data, that data they are going to extract it, that information they are going to extract it from the large databases. See here now, database is essentially process of data driven extraction. Data driven extraction means we need to extract the data, we need to get the data, information, okay, what kind of information? Which is not so obvious, means which is not, I'll not going to dig the information which is not useful for my business. I'll going to extract the information which helps my business, which is helpful for my business. From where I should get the data, that information? From the large database. From the large database. Your phone book or your gallery is not a large database. Got it? Whatever, your message box is not a large database. Where is the large database? Whatever you text or whatever you do the, what do you call it as, WhatsApp through, you can send a images, whatever text, etc., okay, it is all that thing who are all making the transactions through WhatsApp, all that thing will be there in the particular database. Even if it is deleted from your end, okay, that is there in their database. Got it? So how large it is, imagine. Even if you send 100 images, okay, our memory will become block, our phone will become hanging. Got it? So we need to extract the information from that database, large database. Okay, so data mining is essentially a process of extracting the useful information, from the large database. Okay, that is called as data mining. data mining. The entire process is interactive. See here now, the entire process is data mining process. What is that data mining process? Extracting the useful information from the large database. Extracting the useful information from the large database, it is called as a process. This is called as a process. This process is interactive. Why it is an interactive? Interactive means which information I need, only that information I want to collect it. I'll tell the database that I need only this information related to this. Only I'll get that information. Got it? So this is interactive. If it is not useful, I'll tell the database, okay, I don't want this information. I don't want the information related to clothes. I want information related to only this footwear. Only I need a information related to grocery. Got it? So that is what I need. Only I am extracting that. I am telling the database, yes, I need only this. You can send me that. So it is called as, this process is interactive and iterative. Iterative means again and again. I'll collect something, and again from that also I'll going to filter the something. In grocery I'll going to collect only on the particular item. I'll get the information only on the dry fruits, only on this dal, only on this spicy items. Got it? So it is an interactive. It is an interactive and iterative. The data mining process is interactive and iterative. Hope it is clear. Data mining, also known as it can be called as with the various different names, called as knowledge discovery in databases. Knowledge discovery in databases. See, it is also called as, data mining is also called as KDD. KDD means knowledge discovery in database. Means from the database you can discover the knowledge. What is knowledge? Just now we told here. Okay, this is the knowledge. One who brought this, they can also brought this. Okay, this is called as a knowledge. Okay, so this is called as knowledge discovery in the database. It is also known as knowledge extraction. Data mining is also called as knowledge extraction. It is also called as data analysis or pattern analysis. It is also called as data analysis or pattern analysis. Then it is also called as data analytics. It is also called as data analytics. Business intelligence. This is also called as business intelligence. See here, how many names are there? In some of the universities, same subject it is called as a data analytics. Some university are having the name, it has named the same subject as a business intelligence. Some universities, they named it as a knowledge discovery or knowledge discovery in the database or knowledge extraction. See, these are the same, different names are given to this data mining. These are various names are given to data mining. Is there any doubt here?
No, sir.
Hello? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh,
No, sir.
okay, fine. Now, see here now. This is related to, in general it is not exactly is there for your syllabus. What is data science? Data science is nothing but it is a combination of all these four. Okay, so data mining is a part of the data science. Statistics is also part of the data science. Leverage is also part of this data science. Means this is A, B, C is there. Next, what is that? Means these are various clusterings, and which is the next clustering. Okay, this item belongs to what? Okay, so cloud computing, all these things are related to data science. Okay, data science is very huge. Okay, it is one of the vast subject in that. Got it? This is what the data science is. Okay, that all these things we will going to discuss in the next class. Now, why data mining? Why data mining? Why we need to study a data mining? What is the importance of that? The data glut, data rich about the information poor businesses. Means, see here now, I am having the huge amount of data, huge amount of rich data is rich, but information poor businesses. So if I did not take that data information properly, even though I am having the huge amount of data, if it is not processed, if I did not take the knowledge out of it, okay, so obviously I'll be running the poor business. Got it? Estimates of data doubling every 20 months. See here now, if I am having the data in such a way that, yes, if I am having this much of data, this much of customers, I have earned this much, this is my revenue generated. If I have doubled, then what could be my revenue? Okay, based on the data you can go for your doubling of the this thing, estimation of the future revenues. Got it? The average Fortune 500 company manages over a terabyte of data every day. See here now, this is very important. The average Fortune 500 company manages, means on an average 500 company manages over a terabyte of data every day. Terabyte of data, terabyte of 100 GBs. Okay, 100 GB of data they are going to process it every day. If you purchase something in various showrooms, frequently you will going to get information. They will send you in phone or what is that, messages. They will going to, you will get a calls. Okay, how do you get it? Because they are going to process all those data what they have purchased, what they are having in their database. Got it? So once you get a call from particular showroom saying that you will get based on your wedding anniversary or based on your data birthday, you will be having 50% of offer, please come and visit us. So what you will going to do? You will get impressed and you are going to visit the showroom. Okay, and even though you are not interested in particular items, okay, what you will going to do? You will roam here and there and you will pick one or two items. You are going to pick one or two items. Got it? So this is how they are going to do it. This is how they are going to generate their business. Got it? Convergence of technologies. See here, this is means technology is having vast this thing. Okay, it is growing like anything. Use the technology and use it for collecting the data. See here now, information has collected from the ATM, data is collected from the ATM, data is collected from the CCTV cameras. Okay, what kind of, in a particular cross, okay, or a circle, okay, which vehicles are moving, okay, how many cars are moving, how many two-wheelers are moving, how many goods vehicles are moving, you can also process it. Okay, you can get the information from the CCTV cameras. and who are crossing the things, rules, okay, who are violating the rules, they are also getting the information from these things. So these, based on these technologies, okay, if this CCTVs and all those things are not there, then how many traffic signal, traffic inspectors may require? Even though these things are there, we are having here and there, there are so many people, traffic people, traffic police will be there. Even in the last, see here now, they are doing something, they are in the some shops, okay, they have, from these showrooms they are collecting the information from the WhatsApp, from the Facebook, okay, from the digital media, they are collecting the information, data, okay, from the ATM they are collecting the data, okay. These are various sources, these are various sources of collecting the data, okay. So data is huge amount of data is there, huge amount of data is there, but that has to be processed to generate the business, to get the knowledge, discovery of new knowledge has to be discovered. That's why nowadays data science is playing more important, okay. The one who is having the knowledge of data science, they are getting more salaries in the industry, they are getting more salaries in the industries. Got it? This is what competitive edges, mass marketing versus targeted marketing. Mass marketing means, see here now, as I told, mass market, they will come and visit, okay, those people are different. And targeted marketing means, yes, if you are lectures, okay, they will going to give offer for you people. If you are doctors, they are going to give a offer for, these are the targeted peoples. Got it? Particular for students, okay, this is the offer for students, means they have targeted only on the students. If you show the ID card, student ID card, so you will get an offer, okay. Why? Because they have targeted the student. So there are two types of marketing, one is mass marketing and another one is targeted marketing. Mass marketing, everybody come and visit, everybody can come and do their business, but targeted particular group of people will be there for it, there in that. Got it? This is what data mining is. Now rest of the things we are going to discuss in next class.